Like, subscribe, and comment. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, I'm playing with fire. Look at the thing that I've been riding. It's been a really nice day today, so I decided to break out my emergency bug out vehicle. It's an Engwe with 10-inch wheels, I believe it is, and it folds in half, and then the handlebars also fold down. The handlebars collapse, and so does the seat. I'm not a big fan of the seat. I'd like to change it out. I can do that later. There's the battery pack, fair sized. All the guts are under there. I bought this used as a customer return, and it turned out, after tracking the electrics, it was a switch. So I ordered a new switch throttle assembly from Princess Auto, where I got the bike, and now it's working pretty darn good. Top speed's 25k, and up this little bit of a hill it drops down to 15, but it maintains 15. Like, subscribe, and comment.